welcome back to Living Gratefully. I have a mini Sam's haul I want to share with you. Got some paper products and a few clothing items, and it's pretty much just a really small mini haul, but a few things I wanted to share. So let's get started. Okay, y'all know how much I love Sam's clothing, so I'll go ahead and start with that. Okay, I picked up this purple, oh, isn't that color just gorgeous? Plush pullover, and I haven't unpacked it to see how it's gonna hit, how long it is, but I will try it on for you guys and show you what it looks like. And I got extra large just for coziness, and hopefully it'll be a little long to wear over leggings. And yes, it's so soft. And I'm really into anything green right now. So you can see I'm wearing green now. You've probably noticed I've been wearing green in a lot of my videos. And so this is a darker green cowl neck sweater, and it's pretty long, so I can wear with leggings and boots, and it's thin but soft. So here is the picture. I don't know what premise means, but the color is dark Loden. And I'll try this on too, but I think it'll be just kind of nice to dress it, if you go to a nice dinner or for work, but also want to be comfortable. And I picked up 2 of these waffle Henleys, and the colors are kind of like that faded, weathered waffle, and really soft. Looks like it's easy to wear. I like the hemline where it kind of comes up, has the little 7 symbol there, but it kind of comes up on the sides. So I picked up medium. I hope it fits. I have been wearing large lately, but here is the tag. It's made by 7. And yeah, I can't wait to see what this looks like. Of course, you could wear a flannel over it, or a cardigan. And then I also picked up this color. I'm really into pink too, so if you've noticed, pink and green are my colors this season. So isn't that pretty? So again, just a lightweight waffle material, but kind of weathered. And yeah, I'm excited. Okay, and y'all know I love the Bali bras that you get in a pack of 2, and I saw these right next to those, and they're really soft. You can feel through the package how soft they are, and it just looks like these are just a little bit different cut, and it says smooth comfort bra. So 4-way stretch microfiber, wire-free, and removable pads. Super soft is what it says. So I'll let you know how these, I'm not gonna show them in the video, but when I try them on, but I'll let you know how they fit. And I grabbed a 6-pack of V-neck t-shirts. I've been wearing Scott's t-shirts as nightgowns, and so I'm gonna see how these work as just having a stash of nightgowns to wear. But I can't show you what they look like because when I wear a nightgown, there's nothing on underneath. So I'll let you know if it works. And I stopped by Sam's to do this little shopping trip on Thursday on my lunch break. And I picked up, because it was just calling my name. As I was heading to the checkout line, I passed these and I picked these up. However, today is Sunday and yesterday was Saturday, January 15th, and that is the day I decided to be day 1 of my diet/fitness plan. So I have been putting it off and not wanting to not eat candy and not eat what I want, but I know I need to. So yesterday was the day, and of course I bought these on Thursday. So I will put these in the pantry for when we have company. I may give these away as a gift, but yeah. I can't be eating candy. That's not in the program. I'm not planning on cutting out all sugar though. I have done that in the past, and then I ended up just gaining everything back. So I'm not doing that plan, but candy's not in the plan. So, but I can still have coffee. So I just picked up a box of our favorites, the Sumatra, and yeah, it's just always good to have a bunch of these on hand. Okay, and the other thing that is great to have on hand is all of these paper products. So we get the big bowls we use for salads. Every single time we have salads, even with company, we just use these bowls. It's just easier for us, and we also, can put snacks in there. Then we have the little plates, which are great. These last forever, by the way. Even though we use them a lot, it's a lot of them, and yeah, it just lasts a long time. So we're very thankful for that. But these little plates are great for little desserts, if you have company, and you can put like a brownie, and even a scoop of ice cream, or if you have a big, serving, you can do the bowls. But anyway, we got the big bowls, the little plates, and then we also have the little bowls, which we don't use these as often, but these are good for a really small snack. And let's see, little fruit bowl, oatmeal. We can usually fit a little bit of oatmeal in there, a little small scoop of ice cream. And these cups we don't use very often, but I think we can share these with our friends and family because we don't use them often. But I like to use these cups for when we take our Emergen-C, the little packets of vitamin C. And we do that when we're feeling run down, or when we've been around sick people, or when we've been like to somewhere where there's a lot of sick people, like hospitals. And then y'all know one of the things I can't live without is Kleenex. So I got my big supply here. I have to have Kleenex. I pretty much have a box in every single room. I have a box in my car. I have a box at my desk. I have to have Kleenex. My nose runs a lot. And then also on top of that, we are in cold and flu season. So Kleenex for days. Okay, now I'm gonna run in the other room, set up the camera, and try on the clothes for you. You got something I can never be without, yeah. This is really soft and cozy. Wow. Oh, I might have to wear this later today. This is really soft. The color is perfect. I mean, wish I didn't have to take it off. Locked up in your dome, I fight for you. What do every time you call my name? What do you're whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you. What do we can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence. I find myself apologizing when you've started it. Why? Under a spell, I really wonder, how did it come to this? Go see my friends. I think the blue might be my favorite over the pink, but I thought it was going to be the other way around. But honestly, if I don't try clothes on, I never know if they fit right. Just by holding them up, I just don't know. And then I also don't know if the color is going to look good. So it always helps to try it on. And let's just say I wanted to only keep one of these, I would return the other one. But I mean, I like both of them, so I'll probably keep them both. Actually, I like everything I bought, so. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you like Sam's hauls, and if you like clothing hauls, grocery hauls. I'm starting to do a few of those here on my channel, so let me know, and subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you next time. Bye.